All right, I wanted to show this. So, Sage, come on, just quiet down. Nila, leave her alone. I should have known you guys wouldn't allow me to do this. Nila, hey, come here. Kennel. Good. All right, so my girls U10 soccer team are the Pickles, and last night we had our little awards ceremony and supper, and one of the players, their family, was kind enough to purchase some pickle socks for me. And fun, interesting fact, or maybe not, I always wear dress socks when I hunt early season. I don't know, they just feel more comfortable in my boots, so I'm gonna rock these today. If I can't shoot a couple birds in these socks, I don't think it's humanly possible. Awesome. Hey, thank you guys. All right, Sage. I'll keep getting ready and we'll go hunting, okay? Okay. All right, this is t-shirt weather. Good girl, Sage. Well, walk one produced one hen. I didn't think there'd be much out here. It's a pretty gamey spot, and saw 4 different trucks with hunters drive by, but kicked up the one hen, and the best part is Nila is starting to show a little bit more initiative getting out there, so I'll take that. All right, well, I went and helped my dad set up a deer blind. My daughter has a mentored tag, so we'll probably get on that here later this fall. No rush right now. Anyway, it is such a beautiful day. It's not real great for pheasant hunting. Yeah, 60 degrees, sunshine, not a breath of wind, but we're gonna go out. I've got another little public spot. I'm gonna see if I can't catch a rooster loafing up in there, and then yeah, we'll maybe find something a little bit, I don't know what you want to say, more conducive to a golden hour walk. But anyhow, yeah, can't beat this weather. It's going to be gone before we know it. So, all right, we'll see you in a bit. Sage, here. Sage, here. Sage, no, Nila. Sage, here. Oh God, there he was. God dang it. So you can see this isn't the edge of the public land. It kind of runs over there. I could have shot that. I was just worried about Sage running out and getting into their CRP. Oh shoot. Hey, good girl. Sage, no. Drop. All right. Nope, leave it. Got him wet. But a rooster's a rooster. Nope. Uh-uh. Oh, look at all those pheasants down there. Oh, good Lord. Sage. Nila here. There we go. Sage here. Is that Nila? You find him? Good girl, Nila. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Nila. Nope. Here. Come on, this way. Sage, come here. Hey, there you go. There you go. Yes. Yes, Nila. Yes, drop. Hey, good girl. Oh, big boy. Whew. Nice work, Nila. There you go. So my back is just soaked, but I don't care. Rooster number 2, closed nose, just hanging out down on the point. Great, great dog work, Sage and Nila. Yes, no, I know. Hey, I know you just want to play. That's a nice tail feather, don't mess it up. I don't keep my feathers very often, but that's one I'll keep. Good girls! Here we go! Oh neat, look at that feather caught in the spider web. That's pretty cool. Yeah. All right. Hey, Nila, come on, let's go this way. Things are going well. It feels so good. I got those two birds back there. Got about 40 minutes left till sunset. I'm gonna come out here and walk some grass and see if I can catch some coming back to roost. So, all right, wish me luck. And of course, as I'm sitting here fiddle-dicking getting ready, two roosters just flushed right on the other side of these trees. But I think I know where they went. Sage has officially called it. That's a good hunt. My word, there are so many pheasants around. Unreal. I love it. And like I said, you know, the corn was taken out early, so a lot of your public land birds, they've seen hunters. But you just gotta keep grinding. Oh, I would have loved to gotten the third bird today, but I didn't. That's alright. I'll come back. We'll get him next time, huh, Sage? But, you know, third of the way through November, 60 degrees, cooled down when the sun went behind the clouds, but there's nothing quite so glorious as an autumn evening in South Dakota. When you got a shotgun in your hand and a couple good dogs out in front of you. Well, maybe not quite good, but you're getting there. You just keep working, baby. Alright guys, keep your tradition alive. Thanks.